Hey everyone, good evening to all. I hope so will be happy and be doing great in your life. As you know myself Parmanand Yadav and I am in currently Hyderabad. So today my topic is unhappiness in people life. Anyone life, not any personal. So today I'll try to discuss about unhappiness, why people are unhappy in his life. See so many causes is in problem so many problem in our life and people's life due to they will be sad and they will be unhappy, but see some of the things is not in our hand, like health issue, family health issue, family suppose any things going to be unconditional. So it's all about we can say that it's not our hand, it's already defined. I mean, God already it's pre-planned, it's not by chance, right? So we can't say that it's can be handled by ourselves, by anyone. It's already pre-planned. But my focus is why people are so many unhappy, just because one of the most reason is comparison. See, when you will be compared to yourself to others, this will be in this condition two things will be. First, either you will hate yourself, either you will be, you can say either you can say you will get jealous, you will feel jealous from that person if you will compare. Suppose I'm comparing to myself to others, how I can do, I can earn more than him, or how I can build more than big building from that person. This is not main reason. Sorry, this is the main reason. Comparison is the main reason. So many persons have so many things I don't have, but you should compare to each and everything. You have also too much thing, but you are not going to care about those things which you have. You are caring about those things which are you are not having. This is the main reason. If you are you can say, according to me, so many persons are going to be saying in others life what is going on, not in his life. So this is the main reason. See, if you want to help, if you want to compare to yourself, then compare to yourself only, what was you are and what is this time you are. This comparison will boost you, this comparison will give you positive energy to you to move forward in your life. But when you will be compared to others, it will be irritating, it will be unhappy, yes, happiness situation, then you will not do anything. So I try to conclude my topic by saying that compare yourself to yourself, not to others, right? And compared to others, it's only unhappiness condition, making unhappiness situation for us and for himself, who are listening, who are thinking this type of thing. So don't compare to other self, compare to yourself only, and try to move forward in your life. Don't compare to others, because you are unique. God always make the things unique always. This is the point. So I hope so will be getting me. And then till then, bye bye, take care, good night, see you in next video, bye.